Sompa TV Ghana and our Sompa 93.1 YouTube and so TikTok okwa wonsa ebeka yen tie for online so www.sompaonline.com and semling in a dance on your crew crowd yakogo okwasani mo abedema no akenkan bi so ede free war afa yanje brani adagena ensem no emu nkyeremu nyina no yemfa ennan mo nansana no ye kanfo mizo free drink and 5G miza ede ama se dwabodwumade bia se no eno na we hia se de be serve wa hoho bread safatam no ye de wono ma ene wo ho nsem esi ase no ebetu dwa wonom na eso yasene e wo kase yi mu a ye de dan mu ye hye na se de free ejoso abato ampesia so encha ya fia hye mu no enam rahye ya no odi ni dwuma e wo mrahye bedwam de ma de hye se be ye mpuntu ho nsem no ebe kwa wano e de ama wonom e wo aboboa no wakada sen ebutu ye ma ye funu dampan ye wrai e ka nchiri gu ye wa breaduane si so no na akwa ye arahosem papa e de ama oman Ghana de hye nyane titru e mrahye bedwamfo e na ne mpasua sofo na amamre ne amane akwan so na nuada e na kropo twede apobasa yi adom de hotam no kumachi no wo ba wiem e ma bre wanso yi poma kwan mu a wotimi de na yiyo no e hyehye so na enomo no e na emma ebe jina simpie ni apaso won se ya wo free na sinemu eba ye no ne ho nsempa areho ya waja wonom oyaw ya wonom efemu ene ekira semu a woka enwie ka no wodan ne nyina di e de kire amansan.
In his belief that he was serving a greater purpose. He taught us to be resilient in the face of adversity, to rise above negativity, and to hold fast to our convictions. Just over 2 years ago, my father treated my mother and me to a birthday celebration. During that time, a prominent figure in our nation had passed away, sparking a flurry of negative commentary in the media. Amid this, my father spoke to me, assuring me that these disparaging remarks were baseless. With sincerity in his eyes, he said, "My dear daughter, do not entertain any negativity about me after I am gone. Even if my time on this earth is to end today, know that I have served my country and fulfilled my purpose. I am ready to return to God. Never believe that someone had killed me. No one can take my life." His words took me aback at the time. But now, with clarity, I understand and sincerely appreciate his unwavering conviction. In his lifetime, our father taught us the importance of compassion, integrity, and resilience. He faced challenges with unwavering determination and emerged stronger with each trial. His resilience was a testament to his steadfast spirit and unwavering faith in God. His favorite mantra was, "God is my first and last resort." Indeed, he was a man of God. After never wavering in his belief that he was serving a greater purpose.
Ebusia we eya areho semwa enuada na ekoso ewo ejoso na fo ni kiremu ewo Facebook no so eho na behu se mema kentinka kentina wan ene chama wontumi odimu dendende wo roni suo na ono akasa ne ba ye radwonkuma ne ba ya ye frɛ ne se Hilda boatema kuma na oka ne nuanom nyina eho a obegina edwam na wonse ho nsempa oka edekire amansa ne se wom wobia wose obia wajade na so no yewura dwonkoma de na osene eja na ese entity ye papa ene afutuo nsem se de na wose wonne wontem etie no ya ene ba mo wo ya na pakan wode abesi won aboboa no atebri won papa de won ko ede ne konse do no akwa ya rehosem na so no wose wo hwe ne se ne yo ye ne su ene ne kasemu a na bibia de adanse se wo nyankopon ni pente no okọ ne bofo nchen a Erade ena wosre ese wonfa ne nsie na Abraham kokomo na ema no anu si ya pe ena Apostle Lillian Kuma wono so eye ho kani wono so ne nsem ya wokaye edija ne kunu ekwan ni
I minim said dom I trashia hase yeshia mu nyina ene se ye beka bye akire okunini owura Dr. John Ampontue Kuma ebinim de amanyo kese ni bi ana atofo ebinom so ojumayeni kese bi ahwease ebi so de odidi mo bi die na atofom nanso ajaku amade made nyina na wukoyo mede me bibia ne sabi wonya mi kuru keke me nyonko preko pene mi chitafo mi chochomucho mi chire ni mi nkura hyefo empo masofu die mu the number one spiritual father jori timi nka mabrabo se ewie abra menka de wo wayeda efri se bra wo hia me eye emfi apema ha mienu ene enum bosomi etosonso pepepe na me ne jonkoma bompuni mpo e won krabonten so eye mara papa hia me na afe na machro SSC so hwe ewie na 90 mi abo me humodinti na mabankra se mi bedi pa na metimi di atoa so hia papa na nyese wonu sukura mpo wo bi That's why Branty actually or Dosronko. Why for me sabi Oba wo pemi bi keke na emu fa se ni nua ba kotoa na de nyina ani Ghana ni ma popese oboa ebra Branty di ne hu nyina bro ni be ka se o invest wo mi mu nipa bi ka se waji mi papa ene mere ne ehwe oba wase se mpo wa mi mpo a minim se obeye nhira mo man no ti me man ti ne boa na enye hwe anya se wodi sika me kai bre no na oni sika mpo odi register ono emu ye teacher ni ema me jonkuma tena se na wasa kire me ade 212 iti a waka wase ama wa bon se kwaku ne suma asa kire me ade uni school fees nti na wo kire papa idi busumi si a kire me ade a me di fie na ya ko school amehu economics literature commerce geography ema me be just 6 months in a B in chains wow okoswa pushi me mama manti ana mpo bra me nyimu mi ko school nyina na mewo university wanya ma chida Zero. Time mechisa mami ko school nyina wie. Empo bra mi wie school bi ko mi wie nursing ko university. Asa wie ya me ka kire se nyankopon afra me. Aka me hwese papa egu befu me. Tesa abre ne na wanya adwuma ma me. E wo sika kra bia. Ene cancels ahodo na nso me ka kire se nyame afra me. Se nyame afra wa wo achi. Kwaku na ne na chi ama me da. Ogina ma chi. Ta ma chi hye mi nkrai. Masofu die mu mpo se me kasa na me wie anu aka. Letini jina meni mama ka o kan say ofa Bible no mama recite Bible and then konfo tie Apostle Lillian na no mani age dan so ka Apostle Lillian enye peye nam John Kumenti
ebusia eyare hosem Apostle Lillian John Kuma wono ankasa ne ho kani na yekọ ekotie no no na ne de no echi no Yerua Bawumia wano mampanyi abedi achire wasakita Frankemo edema MPP sukokoko amanyuko no Yerua yinso eko na danfo prekope ne yonko bramo pa wasem frama emfa wonum entem bamo wo aye nade bamo wo aye eye Ghana fo ade de nanso no wase wo hwa yonko fa ya ne da wonum tem na etwemu ewo ayonko fa kwan so nti no de ato no no de nyankopon ko a na enim
reached me when he paid me a visit at home. It was his routine. It was, therefore, a grave loss, with a silence as deep as death, and the boldest held their breath. I stand here today in solidarity with mourners across the nation to offer my heartfelt tribute to the late John Ampontia Kuma, former legislator for Ejisu constituency and former deputy minister, countless lives and uplifted many hearts, particularly among the youth of Ejisu constituency and beyond. His rapid rise in the political arena served as a guiding light and an inspiration to many. The people of Ejisu constituency crowned his efforts with a triumphant victory to represent them in Parliament in the 2020 election, and he represented them dutifully. He was a delight to listen to. His expression was audible and carefully guarded against injury to his fellow man. His language was as peculiar to him as other peculiarities of his nature. Beyond Parliament, John's tenure as Chief Executive Officer of the National Entrepreneurship Innovation Program was marked by the diligent execution of his duties, which met the admiration of all. With his exceptional intellectual capacity and drive, his initiatives focused on empowering the youth and forging a brighter future for Ghana's next generation. His commitment to the National Development Program remains indelible and has left an enduring mark on our country's trajectory. He was also a lawyer of good standing. In that area too, he was brilliant, diligent, and professional. Parliament reached me when he paid me a visit at home.
Ebusia Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Penny Abediatre and I watch Yewura John Kuma said the netia obedi no ewo ewiase no ene mapa ya chese eye ensenaho ensem bia wo kafa ne ho a wo chese wo gyaye no na esombo wahra de wahre yonko wahre tichafo so no nkokwa na ne nyina mu no wasre nyankopon se onfa ne kra ensie baby pa na Yewura John Kuma so egu no eye nkwantan so dru nkwanta ya wo na bo se beye bibi wo ho a obetimi etia ne na so no watimi aye ahweye we ene ensemo a enura dadwo so abaton pesia so ekoso ewo eye Yewura John Kuma wono so na iyo ase nyankopon koso a encheche ebusua no ebre na onhye wonom so edin emfa Yewura John Kuma so nyankopon man baby pa enna emfa emayen Yetwa ensem no so every Yewura John Kuma nsem ni mu ne yabo remu ewo eneiga na sika sidi ya etwini na asinya sa abosoma kotre ewo ewiase amansen sika dodo no animo no na enansa yeso ne dodo na eche wono madwen se enka ebeya yenhwe na yemfa wese ntuye aban enyai wese na wonye wese betimi aboa amaga na sika sem no timi ejina ne naso nanso no panyi pa bia wono enei wodo ani kyeremu ewo photosam wonom ahye ye ho a woye panyi pa be de kyere Dr. Stephen Amoa enso ekyere se de akwaso ne nyina no eni se Ghana fo ye behwe na yetimi aboa Ghana sidi no ama na gina ne naso pinti rakadea na wono de wahwehwe mahu se ensrahwe bia ahodo ye bi wo ho ani afiri o man Ghana mu ye de ani akyeremu ewo amafoforo so se ye akohwehwe ensrahwe bia ahodo no senka ye giant ke betimi aboa pa edi sika ede abre wo meyi na sidi ne so etimi agyina ne naso ebie mu nso no wo kyerɛ sɛ ebi wo ho a wo gye bia ahodo obi wo ho a waye we de awie won tena sɛ ne ha ne mu ɔno ani sɛ hu mi kɔ Dubai mekwa hase no wose ni nyina no etimi boa ema Ghana sika no etwene nase na ne nkyeremu ya wode esi ase aman no eni se ansa no obi be free eye krom ha na se Ghana hase no etimi akwa di holidays ana se bia wo akwaye ensrahwe ewo amafoforo so no eni Ghana si de no dodo na no obesesa ansa no wanyamansa sika no kakra ede akọ ebasa wo man sika no na kyese ye twe na bo so enti ono de na desrede ya wo ye nyina ne se enka Ghana fo nya ye wo bi wa ha se nom ye hwe na ye fa ye ni enkyerkyeremu ene ekentampo force wo ho boti force wo ho ene e kakum park ene e mafie makura monkey ye central ho no eno so wo mia dodo na no ene ye wo my Ghana mu ha se nom ntem wo pe baabi akọgye wani wo pesa wo kọ baabi kwansrahwa enka adaro ma se wo sesa Ghana sidi ne bebre na wo de atu kwan akwa amanone akwaya saade ne de enka fa kọ ha ya ni nsem wese nyina wo de tujwa wa bla adwadifo wonom a wo de ntintimai ewom wonom so second CEO's breakfast meeting ye kọ so ewo enkrampoponi mantem no na panyin kopie dwumedie na se a wo de ensem atujwa.
We can make it that this year we are planning for Finance Ministry and all its agencies. We need to visit all the tourist sites. Expect some money for the actors in these areas. So that they also make money. And we need to begin that thing. One thing I've seen about Africa is that we have a lot of ideas, but sometimes the global models control us too much. We need to build homegrown policy tools that specifically address our needs. So we need to do all these things and make sure that we all repent. All of you here, let's repent. It's not every day we should go to. Honestly, my parents have never given me a massive boy. So going to the or all those things, I don't know. I haven't gone there. Some of you go all the time. Let's come here, come home. The monkeys are there. You see them. We can have happy homes. I had a chance to go to one of the hotels somewhere around. I'm like, wow, I saw a zebra. And the way I love zebra, I'm always on YouTube watching them. Some of them are here. So let's begin to show that high level of patronage and keep the money here. We always talk about CD. If we change dollars and go there, why won't the CD suffer? But if we stay here and the dollar people come here, they will demand for currency. So I'm not going to elaborate too much. But I think as a country, we have everything at our disposal to develop tourism. We can make it. That this year we are planning for finance ministry and all its agencies.
Ebusia ye Stephen Amoa Deputy Finance Minister ene ye ko ekotie no ye boawramu obuno mantam ne mu na ebusia ababetodwa e wo Sompa kase epono eso se wode wani kiremu e wo doma wanfie ye no e wo buno mantam a ene ye pragiafo ya won wo mutwi pragia no dodo na ene wonom e kyeresen kebe ya ontua tase na won fama assembly no e chense wonom behwe na kawaye ede ama MTT difo no na wase ni nyina no ebetimi aboa ama watimi enya sika ede abo wo ho bra ewo eyemantam ho
assembly dey na we assembly dey na oroja we ma tickets ma o da chese bia o ma oji 2 city no we sika oji we no you prove order but police no dey no o ma hwe chese we chese me just say assembly dey more important than the police for them o ma assembly dey police for them munche me dey nka me yanka assembly dey ni mo me na yentua ni mo na important was because police for na o mo ji na mu bibia and after that even so okodoma o mo ji 2 city doma police for no mo ji 2 city after that we go 2 city na we no betumi afa 3 it is 4 and 5. Did what be feel be on the move for bet. We go to 5 city am mo kra na obesan head. Asa achi wo se ba for 4. Even one for nipa na close so barrier wana say bia who street say kra na obesan achi ko find no sika bia sika kese bi. Police need to make sure say obetu ya ma wonye okada aduma bio. What bicycle so close no kra obechi. Di yebre wo mo nse so obetu na stop mo kra road no so kra nka be boy. You so how much na ye aduma ade ase. Aduma be no obeka the whole day ya ebe nya say betu bi ade no. Ebe wi ne be na tipatru no nko no be wi no. Naka prefri wade aze mo beji ha no pa anyimbi wu ogwa na mbese wuhia wa mo se ye mfa 4 ya ta se ye mfa 4 ye fa 3 na ano produce mo se be jinyo se mbere mo se na be ji iska mo be wi iska so ye hu ade bia no be se bia mo de boa na se mo ye se ye ho kire ya na ye samboa ye hu ade aze ti sa
Ebusia Praja Riders ya mo doma ne wanfie ene ekotie wo mu afeye mo nramu ewo eye hasenom na ubepie mu a ye fiefia hodo no to da bia na entokwa wokunu ne yere ekon we say eye say na ebasa na akwakofo hawdodo na no ena ede abraye ne no ena enam so nte no wodo ani ekiremu ewo nyina hina dwumadie bi ye yankasa ho dwumadie akoso ewo St Peter's Parish ye no ewo ebu akwampotam ho eno nam soma Emmanuel nana mafo wono eye trefo de ma domestic violence team ya wonom so ewo Catholic Archdiocese ni mu ewo Kumasi ase nom wode afuto dodo na no ena ede akwama tememufo
ekwan ye befa so ye besi ano kwan didi kan esese yete sa domestic violence na ye kan ase yete ase a ni hu se di sitie a se de nipa se de kan domestic fie ayaka de a ekoso we se yetimi ase sa ande a na ye hu nipa ene ye behu kwan ye befa so e be fortunately ye wo ekwan ayi bi wo ha idu ho a ye be kan se ekwan be ne ye befa so a ye besi ano enti ye kono a ye behu kwan ye befa so be se de me kan ne se esese nipa ti ase ni hu se haye ewo ya abrabom hawe o ye fiem haye wo ya aware mu haye wo ye society no ti hu se de a ye behu kwan ye befa so a betim de edidu se de o kan mapa ne star sofa enti de me kan se sebe wo ware a oba no na wonya koa ema because so hwe bible mu kura nyankopɔn wɔ se mebɔ ɔbaa a ɔbaa bɛboa ɛma yɛ helper to the men.
Ebusia yenko abrepo junction hasenom ewo ye kire ye kumase hasenom na arehosem esi wo ho na ne nyina mu no ene se community police officer bi wahwe ne kwa yaya wa bra kwanhia esi ye yenko nkotie danseni ya na ne kotwa wisi ane hene santem ode hu de ekoso ne nyina no ne nsem ama ne ya wo bo e de kire so mpaka sefo
sera mi tonsu na me kokwa no ho na me ma me bi frɛ me sɛ otoko ti dem ti ya ne sɛ omuye erade jimio erade kasa erade jumo ti dem hu ya ne sɛ community police ba ko car no abon ade na hweba sinima atwene ahyase ti me susu dem hu ya no ya no kwese wo etwene ne hyase no dem hu ya ne sɛ abrante bi ono so ton drive friend Dr. Caesar and also so car no abono de na hwefo na nso reb nso so no so abono motor reb nso so and also abono na community police ni de ono de we nyankwa atoye mu ho no ma na owu no pra na o mu nyina agina o mu nkrofo no de na ye ben sia de no mo twa o mu ho ahia
police
pachai
Ebusiafo we eyara hosem ya si ye wo abrepo junction kumase hasenom nyankopon fa baba wa ne kra nsi na wonom so a wonom prepare na rade nsa wonom yade emfa ema yen ye wie kase no ewo awokansie mu ensem no na Ghana Premier League no enu ada games ni bi etutu twa wode wani kyeremu ewo Dr. Kwame Che Complex Sports Complex wa Nations eche eya Accra Lions etwa wonom ekaba koya wonom entimi antie sanso na Golden City Park e Brekum no Chelsea the Blues Brekum emrantie no eche krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko metema no etwa won mekamienu ema wonom so etimu baako e wo ho sanso so na eye wode wani kyeremu wo eye ensefufuro ma ne se de eniema ebesi akoso no enie na ansa na nanu Lagos City skra no enso hyemienu editia Great Olympics ene sei na ensem ebetimi atotodwa ewo agoprama hodo so ewo hasenom na wode wani kyeremu ewo eye hasofoka ene wonom ne Adriana Stars na ede ebebo ani inso atreman any golden stars anase gold stars for na ede ebehia na nafo suji abo park ene nya semketo ewo bechem Kela United enso ebehia wonom ewo ho na Aku Park enso mediema efo so etimi ehia eye omu enuanum Tamale United na wonom so etimi ede eniema ahyehye so ewo ho table no Samates etokosoa edikan wo ho over 52 points Nations FC etoso mienu 48 points Accra Lions toso miensa 44 points Bekum Chelsea toso 944 enum eye Adriana Stars over 43 points Mediema etoso ensia wo eye 43 points and so Atama toso so 42 points Beche United toso nwotwe with 41 points Lagos Cities etoso enkono wonom ewo 41 points de wotwa to parliament say mamefa kotoko ne nua has no enre ba bia wonom deda kotoko etoso du baako ono ewo 40 points and afei out of okunso etoso du mienu mboboso ono so 38 points enya asem keto ade omo weto no eye Tamale United otoso du nwotwa no na aso akete na busia ye fancy ase no mebre no asom ye fast da repimase do ema Yero Asante yeboa Benedict wa yesemu for penyi ni screw ye was Sompa 93.1 kase dem Sompa 98.9 na kwenya kwa bro no mane ne dom chamini mo ye mamu nyina mo acho mu somo ewo bro matemo ede mayen na apam dada enso ene dom no owa hine champion blada flip ene wonu mo maka nyina no so no papa tostimo wo mu somo ewo nkranza Sompa 90.7 be masafo kantanka na esomo wa hase no mu a MC ahọ no hwe etwa me edefa eye social media handles ne so ene